What's up guys, Joey here for Tech, and the Vivo X50 may be outshined by its bigger sibling, the X50 Pro, but its cameras do have a bunch of tricks up their sleeves as well. If you can remember in our unboxing video, we noticed that the X50 has an embedded text on top which says professional photography, and that gets us curious. So in this video, we're focusing on its camera capabilities and other interesting features. So the X50 has a quad camera setup composed of a 48-megapixel Sony IMX598 primary shooter, a 13-megapixel depth sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. For selfies, it has a 32-megapixel shooter. If you're used to Vivo's interface, then its camera app should be familiar to you. Nonetheless, if you're new to it, I can say that you can easily go around it with its easy-to-navigate look. We tried the cameras around, and taking a look at the sample photos, its standard mode noticeably produces clear and sharp images even when you're not using the 48-megapixel mode. We get good colors, especially under good lighting scenarios, and we found that the super wide-angle lens is very useful to capture more range. Its zoom capabilities work very well too. You can do up to 20x digital zoom, and even at maximum zoom, we still get pretty clear detail. Also, while we were taking these photos, the phone didn't have a hard time locking focus at all, and that's really nice. When it comes to selfies, you can expect bright and well-detailed portraits with a lot of quirky features you can play around with, such as built-in filters, adjustable bokeh effect, and beauty mode. But what I do want to highlight with the X50's cameras is its superb night camera. Its AI denoising algorithm automatically kicks in whenever it detects extreme darkness, so we get a nice, clean shot. Additionally, its Sony IMX598 sensor has more light sensitivity to boost night shots without sacrificing quality. I mean, look at that photo. And when it comes to videos, you can shoot up to 4K at 60 FPS, and we appreciate how you can also use the super wide-angle lens along with it. Using the standard video size allows you to toggle from normal to 2x zoom in one shot. Quality-wise, videos on the X50 have really good stabilization and quick focusing. It may not be as good as the Pro version in this department, but this should be great enough for vlogging or other video needs on the go. And that's it for the Vivo X50's top camera features. Let us know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to see future uploads, and be sure to visit ugotech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Joey, and guys, I'll see you in the next one.